as the United States confronts the pressing challenges of climate change, energy insecurity, and finite fossil fuel resources. The widespread adaptation of solar power has emerged as a socio-economic necessity with profound implications for citizens across the nation. From small-scale residential applications to large-scale installations and investments, embracing solar energy offers a multitude of benefits that span environmental sustainability, cost savings, job creation, and long-term energy independence. The solar industry in the U.S. has experienced remarkable growth in recent years, driven by declining costs, technological innovations, and supportive government policies. The rapid expansion has not only contributed to mitigating climate change but has also generated significant economic opportunities. A figure has projected jobs, careers to reach 400,000 by 2030, according to the National Solar Jobs Census. Moreover, the industry attracted $33 billion in private investment, further fueling its growth and contributing to the overall economic prosperity of the nation. One of the most accessible ways for American households to incorporate solar power into their lives is through the use of small solar-powered appliances and devices. Solar-powered outdoor lighting, outdoor security cameras, chargers for portable electronics, and other small-scale applications offer convenient and cost-effective solutions for reducing energy bills and fostering a more sustainable lifestyle. For those seeking a more integrated solar solution, residential solar panel installations provide numerous long-term benefits. By generating their own clean electricity, homeowners can significantly reduce or even eliminate their dependence on traditional utility companies, insulating themselves from fluctuations in energy prices and contributing to energy independence. The initial investment in a solar panel system is often offset by decreased or eliminated electricity bills over the system's lifespan, as well as various federal and state incentives, such as tax credits and rebates. These financial advantages, coupled with the environmental benefits of reducing a household's carbon footprint, make residential solar installations an attractive and socially responsible choice. As the demand for renewable energy continues to rise, investing in solar energy companies and projects presents compelling opportunities for both financial returns and contributing to a sustainable future. Investors can consider purchasing stocks or bonds issued by solar manufacturers, developers, or installers. Or they can participate in crowdfunding campaigns for specific solar projects. Additionally, some utility companies and investment firms offer specialized solar energy funds or portfolios, providing a diversified approach to investing in this rapidly expanding sector. By investing in solar energy, individuals and institutions can not only potentially benefit from the long-term growth and profitability of the industry but also play an active role in accelerating the initiative towards a more sustainable energy landscape. The surging demand for solar power has created a wealth of educational and career opportunities in the field. Educational institutions are responding by offering specialized programs and degrees in solar technology, engineering, and installation, equipping students with the skills needed to thrive in this innovative and rapidly growing industry. Careers in the solar sector range from solar panel installers and system designers to sales representatives and engineers specializing in solar technology development. These professions not only offer financial stability but also the opportunity to contribute in the advancement of cleaner energy solutions and shape a more sustainable future. Moreover, continuing education and professional development programs are available for those seeking to transition or expand their expertise into the solar energy sector, ensuring a skilled and adaptable workforce to meet the industry's evolving needs. The future outlook for solar power in the United States is exceptionally promising, with the U.S. Energy Information Administration (EIA) projecting that solar will account for nearly half of all new utility-scale electric generating capacity additions between 2023 and 2050. This remarkable growth is driven by continued cost reductions, supportive policies, and increasing consumer demand for clean energy solutions. Recognizing the strategic importance of solar energy, the U.S. government has implemented various policies and initiatives to support its growth. The Inflation Reduction Act (IRA) of 2023 provides unprecedented incentives for renewable energy projects, including a long-term extension of the investment tax credit (ITC) for solar installations, and billions of dollars in funding for domestic manufacturing of solar components, Energy Department programs, and clean energy initiatives. Additionally, many state and local governments have implemented their own solar incentive programs, such as net metering policies, renewable portfolio standards, and tax credits, further driving solar adoption across the country and fostering a thriving renewable energy market. The widespread adaptation of solar power is not merely a passing trend but a generation-defining event that will shape the future of energy production and consumption in America and globally. As concerns over climate change, energy security, and fossil fuel dependence intensify, the imperative for clean and sustainable energy sources like solar becomes increasingly paramount. Beyond the environmental benefits, the transition to solar power offers a pathway to true energy independence, insulating American households and businesses from the volatility of fossil fuel prices and geopolitical tensions. Additionally, the solar industry presents a wealth of employment opportunities, fostering economic growth and job creation in various sectors, including manufacturing, installation, engineering, and research and development. Moreover, the increasing affordability of solar technology, coupled with innovative financing models like solar leasing and power purchase agreements (PPAs), has made solar installations more accessible to a broader range of consumers. As the costs of traditional energy sources continue to rise, the economic case for solar power becomes even more compelling for every American citizen. The socio-economic imperative for universal solar adaptation in America is clear and compelling. The rapid growth of the solar industry, driven by declining costs, technological advancements, and supportive government policies, has positioned solar power as a vital component of the nation's energy future, offering a path toward environmental sustainability, energy independence, and economic prosperity. By embracing solar energy at all levels, from small-scale residential applications to large-scale installations and investments, American citizens and businesses can not only contribute to mitigating climate change and reducing their carbon footprint, but also reap the economic benefits of long-term cost savings, job creation, and increased energy security. As the world enters an age of more sustainable and resilient energy, the United States has an opportunity to lead the way in the solar revolution. By capitalizing on the abundant solar resources available across the nation, fostering continued innovation and investment in this sector, and equipping its workforce with the necessary skills and knowledge, America can secure its position as a global leader in renewable energy while ensuring a prosperous and sustainable future for generations to come.